Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to hide scores in the NBA app on your phone. If you want to avoid spoilers or just prefer a cleaner feed without live scores showing up, this quick guide will help you adjust the settings easily. Let's get started. First, open the NBA app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Hide Scores. This is the key setting that allows you to hide all live game scores and updates from your feed. Then, toggle the Hide Scores option to turn it on. After you enable this feature, it is important to restart the app to apply the changes properly. Close the NBA app completely and then open it again. Finally, go back to the home feed and you will notice that the scores are no longer visible. The content will still be there, but without showing the live score updates. This way, you can enjoy the app without worrying about spoilers. If you want to bring the scores back, simply click on Continue Content. Thanks for watching.